So today I want to show you how to make napkin rings out of these. These are actually from a dollar store and I used them last year. I think they're supposed to be like door knockers, you know, you just hang them on a doorknob. I kind of used them on the end of curtain rods last year with some different types of garland. But today I decided I'm going to make napkin rings out of these. So quite simply, I've got different napkin rings or napkins here. And I'm going to start by cutting these off of the holder. I've ended up with a string like that. And I'm just going to shorten these up and tie them in a bow. First, I'm going to cut more of the ribbon. I'm just going to tie this into a little knot, like so. And you can probably find these at any dollar store, any craft store. Oops, how do we do that? Now these are coming apart because this is like a little corded ribbon. So what I'm going to do to keep it from fraying like it did, I'm just going to take a lighter and I'm going to burn the ends of that off. I'm going to cut this a little bit more. Because it's a nylon cord. And I'm just going to burn the end of it, kind of melt it a bit. And that stops it from fraying a bit more. Now I could add a little ribbon to it if I wanted, or I could just leave it. Just going to squish that together a bit. And there you have it, a tiny little napkin ring. Just going to take a napkin and pop it over the top. And give you a close-up of that. Now how cute is that? So, just wanted to share that little idea with you. If you like it, give it a like. If you think you'll use it, give it a try. Very simple. You can also add a little bow here in the center if you wanted. But the beauty is you get 3 out of each little one of these. And I think they were about maybe $1.75 a piece, which is pretty good deal. I'll just show it to you with a different color napkin here. You could use it on plain red. You could use it on green napkins. Whatever you wanted. I just thought with all the tartan, you know, people are using so much tartan today in their displays that would be a cute little idea to add. And I'll just show you with the red napkin. Very simple, very easy to use. All you need is the bells and some rope that came with it. And there you have it. You could use the green on here. Should probably look a little nicer. You could put 2 together if you wanted, but I'm just trying to get the most bang for my buck. So I was just using 1 bell per napkin ring. Anyways, hope you like this. give it a like, hit subscribe for more ideas and tablescapes. Thanks for watching.